Laissez-faire leadership is a hands-off approach where leaders give considerable freedom and autonomy to their team members. This style signifying a minimal interference by the leader in decision-making and task execution. At its core, laissez-faire leadership allows team members to take charge of their work with minimal direction from the leader. Instead of closely supervising or micromanaging, the leader trusts individuals to make their own decisions and handle tasks independently. One defining aspect of this leadership style is the freedom it provides to team members. They have the autonomy to choose how they accomplish their tasks and make decisions without constant oversight. This freedom fosters a sense of empowerment among team members, promoting self-reliance and initiative. Communication in laissez-faire leadership is typically open and minimal. The leader is available for guidance or support when needed, but does not interfere with the day-to-day activities of their team unless it's requested. Team members have the responsibility to seek assistance or advice as they see fit. Laissez-faire leaders often encourage creativity and innovation within their teams. By granting autonomy, they create an environment where individuals feel encouraged to explore new ideas and solutions without fear of strict rules or micromanagement. However, while this leadership style can be liberating, it might not be suitable for all situations. Some team members might require more guidance or structure, and without clear direction, they may feel uncertainty or lost. In the absence of clear guidance, there might be a lack of coordination or consistency in work approaches. Additionally, in scenarios where team members lack motivation or self-discipline, a laissez-faire approach might lead to a decline in productivity or missed deadlines as individuals struggle without guidance. Laissez-faire leadership emphasizes autonomy and freedom for team members. It encourages self-reliance, creativity, and innovation within the team. However, it might not be the most effective style in all situations, especially when team members require more direction or support. Successful leadership often involves a balanced approach, considering different styles based on the needs of the team and the context of the tasks at hand. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.